Namaste all of you. Now I am making panch dal pakoda curry. In that I am using 1/4 spoon of besan, that is gram flour powder, then half cup of curd and water, 2.5 cups of water. So now we have to mix all this. The lump should not be there. We have to mix it nicely. So now I am adding little turmeric powder, then salt, half teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoons of coriander powder. So now I heat the wok. Now I am putting some oil, little oil. Then I am adding little cumin seeds, mustard seeds, then ginger, green chili, and dry chili. So saute them for 2 minutes, 1.5 or 2 minutes like that on low flame. Now I am going to put this curry. And I am going to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame, low to medium flame like. I am adding some curry leaves, so you can see how nicely it is boiling. You can see the color also. If you want to use hing, that asafoetida, you can use that also little bit. Now I am going to put this panch dal pakoda in the curry. For this panch dal pakoda, I'll give the link in description box. You can see how I made this pakoda. Now I am putting it in the curry. So the panch dal pakoda curry is ready. Just for 2 minutes more I'm going to cook. Then it will be ready. So friends, you can see my panch dal pakoda curry is ready. We can serve this with hot rice. So it is a nice combination with rice. I hope you will like this video. Thank you friends, you can try this. And so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.